Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the massage gun by Bob and Brad. It is a deep tissue percussion massager gun, muscle massager with 5 speeds and 5 heads. It is a handheld electric massager for professionals out there like you and me of course for athletes, home gym, workout, recovery, pain relief. Lightweight and portable design. Bob and Brad massage gun is only 1.5 pound, easy to carry anywhere and easy to pack into any gym bag. Oh yeah, in for example, for the home gym or office. You can bring our own case to increase the portability of this massager. It's easy to hold with its ergonomic silicone handle design. Carry the massager with us and use it anytime, anywhere as we like, because it comes with a battery powered system. It comes with a powerful performance and it's really nice if you have a hard workout at home or in the gym, and after this hard workout you can use this massage gun to bring back the power and drop down the pain a little bit. Awesome. Inside works a brushless motor, super blocking torque energy output without interruption and dual shaft drive. Structure offers stable operation. The max speed is up to 3,200 rounds per minute. It can help muscle recover faster and it reduces the muscle pain, the muscle fatigue and lactic acid buildup, encourage blood flow, improve the range of motion and flexibility. It helps with the muscle stiffness and more. Because of the stronger percussion of this massage gun, more suitable for professional athletes out there. And we have 5 massage heads and 5 speeds. Ooh, awesome. 5 massage heads and 5 massage speeds are suitable for different parts of the body. Oh, so we can meet different needs. Massage heads in different shapes can be used on different muscle groups and provide targeted therapy for fast recovery. And we have a large capacity battery and a Type C quick charge. You can charge where you like. You can charge, for example, with your smartphone adapter. You can charge on your personal computer, on a power bank, or on an energy socket too. No problem. The only thing you need is an USB-C connector. Oh, large capacity original battery cells with 2500 mAh supplied to Tesla for long life and security. With Type C fast charging port, it can be charged to 5-volt 2 ampere adapter or power bank, providing greater portability. And original phone adapters will be able to charge the massage gun without a problem. And we have a smart chip and 10-minute timer auto off protection. Built-in intelligent chip. Oh yeah, working for 10 minutes automatically shut down after it. To avoid overuse to harm for our whole bodies. Human bodies. Ultra quiet muscle massage gun. It used the latest noise reduction technology to reduce the noise of the massage gun during use. The sound are less than 60 decibel, even at maximal speed of 3,200 RPM. That's awesome, and it is really quiet. But what is Bob and Brad? They started the YouTube channel in 2011 and strive to offer the best get fit, stay healthy and pain-free information directed toward people 0 to 101 years old. Physical therapists Bob and Brad have over 60 years of combined experience in the field and over 2.5 million subscribers on YouTube. This is my goal too. Salute to Bob and Brad. awesome what they did and do and done. They are highly selected in their products and tried their best to keep things fair and balanced in order to provide us with the best products available. They hope we will enjoy this product, and I did. It's really awesome, and I do it really, really, because it's the best gun I ever had before. Bob and Brad will assist us with do-it-yourself treatment for common problems. With a series of videos and follow-along printables, we can be on our way to healthy, fit and pain-free life. That's awesome. That it is, Bob and the good old Brad. Yeah. Multiple battery software and hardware protection. The battery packs has over voltage and over current and short circuit over temperature and other multi protection functions. Woo! Awesome and safe. Ventilation slot at the upper side with a heat sink. Efficient heat dissipations, air chute to reduce the heat of the machine during use. Not easy to get hot or long time use. And we have an ergonomic silicone grip. That's awesome. It feels really awesome because it is so lightweight and the good old silicone grips is awesome. Ergonomic silicone handle for easy grip and maximum comfort. And then we can make with that gun a deep tissue massage. The massage gun provides deep tissue massage, which will help break down the scar tissues, thereby elevating pain and relieving restriction. We can use massage gun not only for sports injuries but also for post-surgery scar tissues. Awesome! And relieves muscle spasms and stiffness. The massage gun can help relieve the muscular spasms and stiffness that may arise from an intensive workout. The muscular spasm often leads to ischemia in the muscles, which means the muscles lacking proper blood flow. This could result in spasms that are painful to the touch. And we can release the lactic acid. Awesome. The lactic acid forms when the oxygen level in the body are low and the body begins to compensate for it by converting newly formed lactate into the energy. This often happens during intensive exercises, and the lactic acid tends to build up in the bloodstream faster than it can burn off. Awesome function. And activates the nervous system and muscles. The nervous system stimulates and regulates the activity of the muscles and maintains the body homeostasis. For every activity on the muscles, the nervous system gets notified. The massage gun can help stimulate receptors of the sympathetic nervous system. Thanks, Bob and Brad. It's really awesome. It feels good and it makes a wonderful, great job on my body and, of course, on your body out there too. This is the Bob and Brad massage gun. This is for deep tissue percussion massage gun. It's a muscle massager with 5 speeds and 5 heads. Handle electric massagers for professional athletes. Home gym and workout. We can recover the pain relief. It's really easy to remove the heads and reattach them. We can work on all body parts with it. There's only one button to press on it, and then we can switch it on, off, or we can gain to the next level of speed power. There are on the bottom side enough LEDs to see how much power the batteries contains. That's really awesome. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.